You want to go ahead and pop off these little caps with the flathead screwdriver, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to take out the very top Phillips head screw and the very bottom Phillips head screw facing the door. After that, you can go ahead and open up the door slowly and pull from the inside and pull it out of the slot. At this point, you're going to lay it down and you're going to have your sockets that you're going to need, and try to take note of which screw goes where and which bracket goes where. You want to try to set these brackets where they go, so that you don't forget where they go. Because there's a specific way that they go back on. Once all your brackets are off, you can flip it up, pull the seal off. Get a nice little wipe down. And install your new seal. And then make sure your seal is wrapped around the lip. You'll see it when you get in there. Then you're going to go ahead and start reinstalling all of your brackets, making sure they're properly around the seal. And you're going to install it back in to slide it in that way, just like you see. Slide it in. And you can go ahead and shut the door, and then reinstall your top screw and your bottom screw. And go ahead and put your end caps back on. Test your operation. You should be good to go.